The survival of living beings depends on the structural design of their bodies, an astonishing marvel shaped by millions of years of evolution. Animal anatomy comprises muscles, bones, internal organs, sensory systems, and external structures. Each component has been refined through natural selection, crafted with the precision of nature's engineering. 1. Basic anatomical classification. Animals are broadly divided into two anatomical categories: vertebrates, animals with a backbone and internal skeleton, such as mammals, birds, fish, amphibians, and reptiles. Invertebrates, animals without a backbone, often supported by an external shell or soft tissue. Insects, mollusks, jellyfish, and worms belong here. This classification determines the animal's entire body organization, movement ability, defense mechanisms, and environmental interactions. 2. Skeletal and muscular systems, the foundation of movement. In vertebrates, the endoskeleton provides support and protection. Bones act as anchor points for muscles, enabling motion through flexion and extension. For example, horses' powerful leg muscles enable them to gallop long distances. Cheetahs' flexible spines allow them to sprint with incredible acceleration. In invertebrates, movement is often supported by an exoskeleton like the chitin shell in insects, which also helps prevent water loss. These creatures molt as they grow, shedding their old shell for a larger one. 3. Circulatory and respiratory systems, the flow of life. Oxygen transportation is critical for metabolism. Mammals and birds have four-chambered hearts, allowing highly efficient oxygen distribution. Fish extract dissolved oxygen directly through their gills. Some invertebrates perform gas exchange through body surface diffusion. Birds possess a unique system of air sacs that ensures two-way airflow, enabling them to maintain oxygen intake even during flight, a feature absent in humans. 4. Nervous system and senses, perception and response. The nervous system enables animals to detect and respond to stimuli. In complex animals, the central nervous system, brain, and spinal cord allows for advanced behaviors. Octopuses, although invertebrates, have complex neural networks with independent clusters of neurons in each arm. Bats and some whales use echolocation, emitting sound waves and interpreting their echoes to navigate and hunt. Olfaction smell is highly developed in certain animals. Dogs, for instance, have a sense of smell up to 50 times more sensitive than that of humans. 5. Outer structures and defense. Skin, feathers, scales, and shells. Animals' external features are shaped by environmental pressures. Polar bears have transparent fur and black skin to retain heat in freezing climates. Reptile scales minimize water loss in arid environments. Bird feathers aid both flight and thermal insulation. Turtle shells serve both as external armor and part of the skeletal structure. Some animals, such as chameleons, can even change color thanks to microscopic crystals in their skin that manipulate light reflection, providing camouflage and communication. 6. Evolutionary adaptation and specific cases. Evolution molds anatomical features to match ecological needs. Giraffes' long necks allow them to reach treetop leaves. Blind cavefish have lost their eyes due to living in pitch-dark environments, instead developing acute vibration sensitivity. Bat wings, structurally, are elongated fingers covered in a thin membrane anatomically similar to a human hand. These are examples of homologous structures, shared ancestral features that evolved for different purposes. Conclusion: the silent language of nature. Animal anatomy is the silent language of evolution. Every bone, muscle, nerve, feather, or scale serves a purpose. Nothing in nature is accidental. Every detail is part of life's grand design. To study these structures is not only to understand animals but also to understand our own biological origins. After all, humans, too, are branches on the same great evolutionary tree.